If you are prone to rolling your ankles or to actually just having issues with your ankles, this brace here is awesome. We were actually sent it to review, and they are really, really comfortable, easy to put on, and honestly super supportive. You have the instructions on the back. You put your foot through here, and then you just kind of wrap this around your foot and your ankle, and you get all that support you need. You can of course put on your socks, your shoes right over top of it. It's really thin, and it's got that nice stretchable, breathable material. So let me put it on and I'll show you. So as I said, I've just slipped my foot in here, and then I've just completely wrapped it around my ankle and the bottom of my foot. And it's got this nice little anti-slip here. And then you have that Velcro. You just pull it across, and then you put it on like that. As you can see, I've wrapped mine twice, and it is not very thick. Still very easy to put on a sock and some shoes. And yeah, my ankle feels great. It feels supported, and it feels very secure.